It seems now for me my sound was turned off a bit, but that's why I had to reschedule. So let's go straight away. Katutandikireho. I remember ninjuka last time tukagamba buliya. Tukagamba hari. We stopped on Heza. Oh, so now we go to another, the following lesson, which we did not cover yesterday.
Okay.
So we have a word like kuta. Kuta is to put. So you can ask a person, empare yanje wajitahi. This ta. Empare yanje wajitahi. Where have you put my trouser? Then we have kufundikira. We have kufundikira. Kufundikira. That is to cover. Reduce your sound. Kufundikira is to cover.
Okay.
So you can say fundikira akadomora.
Okay.
Cover the small jerrycan. I'm saying that one means cover the small jerrycan. That is how we can apply this word of fundikira.
Okay.
Or if you tell a person fundikira esafuriya, it means the cover the saucepan. Then kumara.
Okay.
Kumara is to finish. If you tell a person that mara oije.
And kuheza is to finish.
Yeah, they are all the same. You can ask a person,
Okay.
waheza or wamara. So they are different words but with the same meaning.
Okay.
So we have kurisa. Kurisa, this word is meaning to eat with. This one has two meanings. We have kurisa, that means to graze. Kurisa embuzi, that is to graze goats. But here we are using it in to eat with.
Okay.
If you say ninza kurisa ehuma, ninza, I'm going to eat with a fork. Ninza kurisa ehuma. Then we have ehuma. I'm going to eat with a fork. Ninza kurisa ekijiko. I'm going to eat with a spoon.
Okay.
Then we go to kutebekanisa. Kutebekanisa.
Cool.
Tebekanisa.
Tebekanisa.
That is to prepare. To prepare or to arrange. So I can apply it in a way that naza kutebekanisa omuka. That means I am going to prepare at home, or I am going to prepare at home. Naza kutebekanisa omuka. Tebekanisa.
Okay.
Then there is kwanga. We remember that one, kwanga. It is to refuse or to hate. Then we have kwija. Kwija is to come.
Why sometimes, like, when you're relating to yourself, like you want, okay, let me just be clear. On these words, niza and naza. Okay, niza kulisa hehoma. Why here, like, when you said naza kutebe kanisa omuka, why didn't say niza kutebe kanisa omuka?
Sorry, this naza is he or she. He or she is going to arrange at home. If it was me, I was going to say ninza. Thank you for answering that, for asking that question. If you are the one, you say ninza.
Okay.
But if you are meaning another person, you say naza. Then
I got it now.
we have kushanga. That is to find. There we have a word like wamushangahi. Wamushangahi. That is, where have you found him? Namushanga omukatare. I've found him in the market.
Again, you're using
Namushanga. I have found him in the market. This na is meaning him.
When you relate it to another person.
It is him.
Okay.
Namushango mukatare.
Namushango mukatare. Okay.
Then we have kurida. Kurida. Eat at. Or in. Ninza kurira omurwabya. That means I'm going to eat in the pot, in the small pot. Kunywera. To drink in or to drink at. Ninza kunywera omukyanzi. I'm going to drink in the milk pot, or you can say ninza kunywera omukikopo. Ninza kunywera omukikopo. Then we have kushisha.
Okay.
Kushisha is to spoil. Then kusinda. Kusinda is to get drunk. So I can say
Sinda. Yes, remember.
amarwa nigasinza.
Nigasinza?
Yes, now when you are applying it, when you want to mean that it makes somebody do something, then D changes to Z. Like if you want to tell a person that don't make me get drunk, you say otansinza.
Otansinza. Okay.
You are telling that person that don't make me get drunk. Then we can apply it somewhere. Abira sinzire nyomwabazyo. abiire asinzire ny'omwabazyo
abiire asinzire omwabazyo
ny'omwabazyo
asinzire
ny'omwabazyo. He was drunk yesterday. If you want to tell the people, asinzire ny'omwabazyo.
Okay. Abiire asinzire ny'omwabazyo. He was drunk yesterday.
Then,
okay.
If you want to tell a group that they were drunk, actually this drunk may not mean that you are actually drunk with alcohol. Sometimes a person may talk things and is more like a person who is drunk.
I always say like this to people, you're drunk. When somebody's talking nonsense.
So, more like that. So, mubiire musinzire ny'omwabazyo. You tell that when saying people.
When you're relating to a group?
This is a group of people. You were drunk yesterday. If you want to tell a person that you are drunk, then you tell him osinzire. You tell him osinzire. So we had looked at this one time, but we are remembering ourselves, like these adjectives of something small, something bad or ugly, because in life we always think about small, then good, then bad, but here we are looking at the small. We have omuntu muche, that's a small person. We have abantu bache, that's this abantu bache, small people, like a small number of people. Then
che means small.
Che means small. Then ekitabo kiche, small book. Ebitabo biche, those are small books. Then B, bad or ugly. Where you find this word B, it means bad or ugly. Omuti movie, that is a bad tree. Emiti mibi, that is bad trees or ugly trees. Bad trees, that is maybe. Then we have omushisha movie, that is a bad man or an ugly man. Abashisha babi, that is bad men or ugly men, depending on. This rain is hitting me. So I'm going to move away from here because I was seated outside. Okay. It seems it is beginning to drizzle. It is beginning to drizzle. So let me first go back inside.
It won't rain.
It wants to rain.
Oh.
It wants to rain.
Eh? Escape to this. Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yeah, I've now gotten inside, so I hope. So we proceed. There are some words that we will find most times we are using them, like obundi. Obundi means next time, at other time, or at times. Then we have buzima.
Obundi.
Like if you say netukuzayo obundi, we shall go there next time. Then we have buzima. Buzima means truly. You can say buzima nonkunda munonga. Truly, do you love me so much? That is when
Buzima.
you means truly. Then we have buzima noza kuntayayira. Truly, will you visit me?
Okay.
Then we have ijaha. Ijaha.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Ijaha is.
Come here. If I say,
Okay.
Eshande nechokunywa buzima. I said that banana juice is a true drink. So this word buzima can mean true or truly. Then we have some other words that you will meet that are used to join other sentences. Have a word like ninga. Ninga means or. How can say amate ninga.
Okay.
Ninga obuhunga. That is means milk or porridge. You're going to meet this one, ninga. Then we have kandi, which means and, again, and moreover. Then we have kwonka, but or nevertheless. Kwonkiwe, but you. Then we have na, or this any with this apostrophe. That one means and. You can see it on amate nobushera. That is milk and porridge. This one is used when you are going to, when the next word is beginning with a vowel. Yes? If the next word is beginning with a vowel, like amate nobushera, that's milk and porridge. If we have a word that doesn't begin with a vowel, then we are going to see it, whereby the next word that is like we are saying this one and this one, but the next word is not beginning with a vowel. There, that's when we use this na as and. Then we see, yes, we see other expressions like tichine. It doesn't have. Tichine shonga doesn't have a problem. Or like there is no problem. Then wevale, thank you. Tichine shonga, there is no problem. Or then we have munonga. That's when you know it. Munonga, much or very much. Then ahabwenchi. We prefer to use this one to define why. Hello. Ahabwenchi wacherererwa. Why are you late?
Yes, hello.
I'm saying a word. We have a hanchi or a hanchi.
Ahabwenchi
wacherererwa. This one we reserve it for next time. This ahanchi. Kucherererwa means to be late. Why are you late? Then we have yeah or this why with an apostrophe. Wacherererwa. So that's what comes from okucherererwa. Kucherererwa is to be late. Kucherererwa means to be late. No, okay. No. Actually, it is KY. Kucherererwa. It is to be late. Then now we have this ya or y with an apostrophe. You remember enyamayente. Yes, so it means of.
Okay.
So this year, if it is only with apostrophe, if the next word is a vowel, I think we shall meet where it is ya. Now we can say embuzi ya mutahi wawe. This one is goat of your neighbor. Embuzi ya.
Mutahi is neighbor.
Mutahi is neighbor. Mutahi wawe, your neighbor. Embuzi ya munywani wawe, the goat of your friend.
Okay.
Now we remember those other sentences we did the other time.
Yes.
So now I've put them clearly because the other time we looked at them before we had finished some words. So I think here you are seeing words like, you seeing this any, that means the next word should be a vowel. Have you seen our ninga? Ninga wajireva? Ninga means O.
Yes.
Then here I've put two words, then you choose one which is right. So here what would you put? So we got the answers. This one you will use it for your practice. Got the answers. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. See? Actually this one would be ijuza emyanya. A blank space is called omwanya. Hey? Hello? Blank space is called omwanya.
Okay.
It is more like a space. So if there are many, emyanya. Ijuza emyanya.
Yes, hello, I was not getting you while your voice was hanging.
I'm saying that I've now brought back those questions, but with the choices now. And I said something that is blank is called, if it is one, it is called omwanya. If it is just one. If there are many, this O becomes A, and Y becomes ya. It becomes emyanya. Ijuza emyanya. And I've answered them here, but the first ones are not answered. So can we go through them all? Our sentence one, you're going now to be the one to read them for me. Vaniwe wabishoma nkuride.
Telecommunication. Mimi naka software engineer.
That means blank space or blank. So I want you to read for me those sentences. Zishome. Yes?
Yes, hello.
Nti. You read for me those sentences.
ogamba kamwe kenyini.
Okay. Number 1. Ninkunda kurya ebitookye, oburo n'enyama.
Yeah.
Konka tinkunda kurya muhogo ninga ebitakuri.
Yes.
I proceed.
Yeah.
Ninkunda.
Sorry, I'm back. Yes. You can continue.
Okay. Okay. Ninkunda kunywa amate, obuhunga n'obushera.
Do you know what it means?
Yes, I like to drink milk. Can you drink obuhunga? Obuhunga is what college?
It is.
No.
It is maize porridge.
Okay. Okay, I like to drink milk. Porridge. No, this is confusion. Or how can you put obuhunga and obushera? This obushera, I told me it's porridge. I have to go. I have to go. I'm being called.
All right.
Nibanyeta, I have to go.
Ntukuvugana nyenkya kale obusinge. Wow, I'm done.